of second chapter in geography. So first we will do activity 2, identify the picture. So come to page number 28. Okay. Now here you can see some of the pictures. You have to identify the picture and you have to answer the related question. So the first picture you can see, this is a desert landscape made with deposition of sand by, options are there, air, water and wind. The right option is wind. Okay. Now second, what is the mode of transport in such areas? So it is camel. Okay. So the second fill-up is camel. Name any two places in India which have this kind of landscape. So you can write two states or two places. They are Rajasthan and Gujarat. Okay. So which are the two places? Rajasthan and Gujarat. Now see the second picture. What kind of houses can you see in the picture? So here we will be writing the answer, stilt houses. Okay, stilt houses. Why are these houses built in this manner? So answer you will be writing to protect itself from floods. Now see the third picture. What kind of house can you see in the picture? You will be writing the answer, house with slanting roofs. Okay. Now see the second one. What kind of landform do you see in the picture? The answer is mountain. Now name any two places in India where you can find such kind of houses. So you will be writing Shimla and Srinagar. Okay. Now see the last picture. What do you see in the picture? So you will be writing the answer, terrace farming. This is a common site in dash area. So you will be writing here mountainous. Solving the back exercises which are on page number 30. So see the first one. It is filling the blanks. The wearing away of earth. The wearing away of first one A. See the wearing away of earth's surface is called erosion. Second, the highest mountain peak is Mount Everest. Third, Himalayas are an example of fold mountains. Fold. The Sierra Nevada mountain range in California is an example of block mountains. Now, Mauna Loa and Mauna are volcanic mountains. So, the E1 is volcanic. Now, we move on to match the following. So, see the first one, Atbara. Okay. The first is Atbara, the stream that forms the Nile. So, the A1 is the stream that forms the Nile. Second one is Jog Falls, used to generate hydroelectricity. Now see the C1, river Narmada. This is a river that flows through a rift valley. This is the C1. D1, Chota Nagpur Plateau. It is this one, abundant in mineral deposits. This is the D1. Abundant in mineral deposits. Then CE1, E is a mountain formed by volcanic eruption. A mountain formed by volcanic eruption. F, Aravali. Aravali is formed the Vindhyas. And the last one, G, is river Rhine flows next to this mountain. Now children, we move on to the next exercise, that is true and false. The A1, the highest mountains in the world are found to be in the Himalaya, Karakoram, range of Asia. This is true. Second, hills are steeper than mountains. False. Plateaus do not have any slopes. False. All the mountains develop simultaneously. False. And even the river, the Narmada river flows through a rift valley. This is true. Now we come to the fourth exercise. Choose the correct answers. Now see the A1. Which of these is a landform? The right option is all the above. Valleys, mountains and plateaus all are landforms. So it is the fourth one, all the above. Next, the movement, the B1, the movements taking place inside the earth is known as endogenous process. Okay. Then see the C1. Which types of mountains are formed due to lava deposition? So the answer is volcanic mountains. D. Ooty in South India is a hill station. Which type of mountains are formed due to collision of two plates of the earth? They are fold mountains. Which of these is one of the oldest plateaus? Deccan Plateau.